You are going to love the 2022 Model X. The Tesla Model X offers a sleek exterior design that's sure to get people talking. It also provides the perfect combination of utility and performance. The Tesla Model X takes electric cars to a whole new level. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, dual moonroof, tow hitch, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, fog lamps. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.